Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 27th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla, Palantir, Nvidia, and a bunch of other things from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is up $9.16, 3.8%, closed at 250.21. Post-market, we seem to be down by 46 cents, 249.75. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. When we hit our resistance right here 5 or 6 days ago, we hit it and then we were rejected by it. The resistance said, no, you cannot go higher. And then we came down ever since. And now, yesterday, we were very close to our support at 238.11. We came very close to it. And now we are bouncing. We are basically bouncing on this other support right here at 240.89. We are bouncing nicely on this. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, this is pretty beautiful, huh? So we have been coming down. We broke it a little bit, but came back into it. And we did not have stochastic over 60 right here. So that break right here was not to be believed too much. Here we came down, we came down, we came down. Now we broke this downward resistance. And even though we don't have stochastic, it seems like it wants to stay. And at the same time, we have the 250 resistance right here that has been broken. Yes, it's a weak break. I would be cautious a little bit. And I would also be cautious that we don't have stochastic over 60. It can still go up. It can still go up. But the fact that we don't have stochastic over 60 is putting just a bit of a damper. It's adding a little bit of risk. So we try to de-risk here when we want to get into a stock in terms of the de-risking. Has it broken a downward resistance? A diagonal downward resistance? Then have we broken a horizontal resistance? And do we have stochastic over 60? So now we have 2 out of the 3. And the second one at 250.21 is a weak break. You do what you want. In terms of indicators, we have the MACD bullish breakover. RSI is coming close to 50 and the MI is still negative. So we'll see what is going to happen. This is going to get a little bit clearer tomorrow. Let's go back on the daily chart. So on the daily chart, we have stochastic at 71. It's still on the daily chart. Stochastic is still good. It's still good. It's still over 60. It never went under 60 and it's rebounding a little bit. This is nice. We had the MACD breakover bearish because we came down, but everything else is still bullish on the daily chart. We have RSI at 60. We have DMI, that's positive. Because of all of these things here, everything is still good on the daily chart. So maybe Tesla is going to pull it off tomorrow. We'll see. Let's take a look at some Tesla news. So we have Volvo that joins Tesla's NACS connector. Tesla's technology is really becoming the standard. This is very nice to see. Also, ChargePoint joins Tesla's NACS, will offer connector on new and existing stations. Fantastic also. Tesla's connector will be standardized SAE International Standard says. So such standardization will allow any supplier or manufacturer to use, manufacture, or install NACS connectors on electric vehicles and at charging stations throughout North America. The new connector will be developed on an expedited time frame. This is quite impressive. Let's take a look at Palantir. So Palantir is also bouncing nicely. Yesterday, we had 1441 as a resistance. Now it is a support. Again, we don't have stochastic over 60 yet here, so just be careful. It can just turn around as fast as it did right here because we are still in a downward channel. So unless we come out of that downward channel, we should be very careful. Nvidia bouncing out. See, we had yesterday just a weak break. We had the weak break of 406.62. We broke just a little bit below and now we are bouncing on it. So when we have a weak break, it's always a bit more risky than when we have a frank break. If we have a super huge break, then it can get dangerous because of another reason, is that after a big move, we could have a pullback at the same time. Nothing's perfect. It's all about risk and trying to minimize the risk as much as we would like to. VIX here, down 0.51. That's 3.58%. Closed at 1373. So VIX is coming down again. So this is nice to see. So this has helped the stock market. And we have a bounce again. Wow, look at this. This is very perfect right here. 357.63. It was stopped. It was stopping QQQ on June 5th and also June 9th. And now look at how it stopped QQQ yesterday, and now we are bouncing above it. But aftermarket, this is not looking as good. There's a little bit of a pullback. It's not a big thing, but it's there. The same thing with Dow Jones, bounce on 33638. S&P 500, the same thing. Look at this. Everything is in sync. NASDAQ Composite, the same thing, except for gold. Gold looking as awful as ever. Silver was looking nice, a little bit more nice, but now it has been stopped by this double resistance right here. No stochastic yet, but stochastic is increasing. We'll see what happens this week. Bitcoin is showing some strength also, but still stopped under 3938. Ripple, not as good, still have support at 0.47. US dollar, this is just a sideways day. And NBM falling below 36 cents. We should get a better bargain very soon, I hope. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I am going on vacation for the next 3 days, so I might not be able to do the videos. So if there are any real significant event, I'm going to try to create some posts. And you can also take a look at my Discord servers. I cleaned up the old Discord server that I was not really paying attention to. It's all cleaned up. So you can go in there, and this is another way for me to get in touch with you. Yeah, this is free, so you can take a look at that. And for sure, we are going to talk on Sunday for the Tesla Weekly Live. So have a great week, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.